My name is Miranda and I am Mrs. Thinking of a Master Plan. Do you know what today is? That's right, today is Nichi Saturday and I am here with a plan with me in my Happynichi. And because it's not a real hobinichi, it's a Fauxbonichi. And I do this in collaboration with my Planinichi friend, Jazmin, over at Jazmin Silver Plan. So you guys make sure that you check her video out. It is linked beneath this video. And we do the Nichi Saturday collaboration in our Happynichi Fauxbonichi of the hobinichi. Okay, so before we get started, a few things. Make sure you show me some love by giving me that thumbs up. Comment below, have you joined the Happynichi train? And if not, what are you waiting on? Come on and join us for Nichi Saturdays. And last but not least, I extend an invitation to you to become a part of Team Bella. To join Team Bella, which is my squad, you simply hit the subscribe button below along with that great notification bell and boom, just like that, you're part of the squad. Now, just a reminder, June is Subscriber Appreciation Month and we have some exciting things going on. So make sure you're watching the channel, you're commenting on videos so that you're eligible to participate in the drawings that I'm having every single week, building up to our big event on June 29th, which is the virtual meetup. Yes, super excited about that. And make sure you're subscribed to the channel because that is a requirement to participate. So to remind you of how our spread looked last week, this is my little struggle bus spread, but I used some of the teacher stickers along with the journaling days of the week. And this is what I came up with. And again, this was our June dashboard. So this week, I will be featuring stickers from my Etsy shop, which I will tag in the video. It is called MMP Papery, and it opened on June 1st. So bear with me as I continue to build upon things and get things into the shop. All right, so I don't know what I'm going to call this kit yet, but that's something you guys can comment on. What should we call this kit that we're about to put into the shop? You tell me. Okay, so I told you guys that I was going to figure out how to make one long continuous strip for the days of the week. I figured it out. So we're going to lay this down. And we're going to try to line it up. You know, I'm very thankful for the Happynichi opportunity because with the Happynichi, it's enabled me to really explore things creatively where before I would have never, ever have done such a thing. All right, so I battled with this one on the bottom, but clearly I should have made it just a little thicker, but I am not mad. I'll just lay this here, this thinner piece on the bottom, and put it there. Okay. I've also tried to put some glitter headers that we can lay down, and hopefully everything adds up to where it is supposed to go. All right. And don't worry about this piece. I'm running a piece of washi down there and it will be modified by the time it actually hits the shop. It needs to be just for those of you who don't want to have to use washi tape on the kit. So y'all know I'm new to making stickers and things like that. So some things that I envision in my mind, sometimes it doesn't always translate exactly as I have planned on paper, but that does not stop me from trying, and it won't stop me from trying. It will not. All right. So we're gonna grab some vertical yellow and silver, simply gilded, and we're gonna just put it there on the corner or right down the seam, and it's vertical, so it'll be nice. I love 5mm washi. I don't know if you guys notice, like typically when I use washi tape, I am using thinner washi. I don't know why I love it so much, but I do. All right, let's get ready to rumble. All right, yes. Alrighty, come on, boo. Gonna get this right though, and it has to go this way. Yep. Okay, and we're gonna put that right there, and I am liking it better already. All right, I'm gonna come and cut that right there, and we're going to cut that right there. And I was gonna grab my tweezers. Let's grab the tweezers. Alrighty. Very, very good. Not too bad. I need to figure out this, but anyway. Okay. Let us go ahead and lay this washi here on this side, and then we can go ahead and lay everything else down. I think it will be super cute. Yes. Okay. So let's grab this. And this washi tape may cause this to be a little bit off. Let me lay it up on top of the washi. No. Don't do it. Don't do it. All right. It's going to be right above the washi. Has to lay on the washi because this actually lines up perfectly. So there we go. All right, so I decided to come through and take our square boxes and just layer them one on top of the other. And of course, this is where you can put your weather, you can track your moods, you can put your steps, you can put your meal plan, you can put your work schedule. It's just so many various different things that you can add there. All right, another hot pink. What I like is the colors are so vibrant. I love that. And then I added 2 habit trackers down at the bottom. That will go, and it's also green to pop out the green that's here, and also the greens that's in these wispy leaves, and these leaves match the leaves that are on the top washi. So yeah, I'm excited. All right, that is cute. All right, so I don't mind. We're gonna put this one here, and we can put our habit trackers, and this goes over a little bit, which I will snip that off because I have this washi here. But these habit trackers will fit here perfectly as well, right here. So you can track your whatever habits you want to track there. You can do that. And I am filling that. And then I wanted to take the little leaves. Well, that concludes Nichi Saturday. I hope you enjoyed the plan with me. I'm using a kit from MMP Papery, and as I said, this was a trial kit. Once I post it up in the store, I will make the minor adjustments needed to just clean it up just a little bit. But all in all, I think I like it. I love the colors. It's really giving me that summer floral tropical vibe. So if you agree with me, make sure that you show me some love by giving me the thumbs up. Comment below on your favorite part of the video, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Ciao, bella.